Imagine drilling into the earth for years, going deeper than anyone ever has, only to discover temperatures so extreme that your equipment starts failing. Now imagine hearing rumors that strange sounds were coming from the hole itself. This is the story of the deepest hole humans have ever dug and why we were forced to stop. For centuries, humans have dreamed of exploring what lies beneath our feet. We've climbed the tallest mountains, crossed the deepest oceans, and even landed on the moon. Imagine drilling into the earth for years, going deeper than anyone ever has, only to discover temperatures so extreme that your equipment starts failing. In 1970, scientists in the former Soviet Union began an ambitious project known as the Kola Superdeep Borehole. Their goal was simple in theory, but incredibly difficult in practice. They wanted to drill deeper into the Earth's crust than anyone ever had before. The drilling site was located on the remote Kola Peninsula in northern Russia. Year after year, engineers pushed the drill deeper underground. The deeper they went, the more difficult the mission became. Rock formations became harder, pressure increased dramatically, temperatures rose beyond expectations. After nearly 2 decades of work, the team reached a depth of 12,262 meters, or over 40,000 feet. To put that into perspective, if Mount Everest were placed upside down inside the hole, there would still be room left over. Even today, it remains the deepest artificial point ever created by humans. But the most surprising discovery wasn't the depth. It was what scientists found underground. Before drilling, researchers predicted temperatures around 100 degrees Celsius. Instead, they encountered temperatures exceeding 180 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to severely damage drilling equipment and make further progress nearly impossible. Scientists also discovered microscopic fossils buried several kilometers beneath the surface. These ancient remains provided valuable clues about Earth's history and showed that life had once existed in places nobody expected. Another surprise came when researchers found water trapped deep inside rock formations. Many experts believed water couldn't exist at such depths, yet there it was, challenging existing theories about the Earth's crust. As the project gained attention, strange rumors began spreading around the world. One story claimed that workers lowered microphones into the hole and recorded terrifying screams coming from below. The tale became known as the Sounds from Hell legend. However, there is no scientific evidence supporting this claim. Most experts consider it an urban myth that grew as the project became famous. Despite the incredible discoveries, the extreme temperatures eventually defeated the mission. The rocks at those depths behaved almost like soft plastic, making drilling even more difficult. By the early 1990s, the project was shut down. The dream of digging deeper had reached its limit. Today, the site is abandoned, and a metal cap covers the opening that once represented humanity's deepest journey into the Earth. What makes this story so fascinating is that even after digging more than 12 kilometers down, scientists barely scratched the surface. The Earth's radius is approximately 6,371 kilometers, which means the deepest hole ever dug reached less than 1% of the distance to the planet's center. In other words, most of our planet remains completely unexplored. The next time you look at the ground beneath your feet, remember this. We've explored distant planets, but the vast majority of Earth still remains a mystery, and perhaps the greatest discoveries are still waiting below us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for a new fascinating fact about our world every day.